Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai here to show you another gorgeous pre-owned vehicle, 2017 Hyundai Elantra GL Automatic, local trade, bought here, serviced here. Let's have a look at this vehicle really quick on the outside, then I'll show you some of the interior features. Again, finished in a beautiful white color. You get the nice alloy wheels, really pops, really nice car. So the reason we like to do these walkarounds is basically we like to do a complete showing of the vehicle, be completely transparent to you as a customer when you're shopping online, so you know exactly what the vehicle looks like. We call it our virtual showroom. It's a great way to see the ins and outs of what the vehicle truly looks like. So if you decide for us to come bring you the vehicle for a test drive, or you come to see us, you know exactly what to expect. So again, the GL Automatic, one of our most popular vehicles. Lots of standard features. Let's show you the hood. Show you the roof real quick. The reason we like to do this, show you there's no major scratches from a snow brush or anything like that. So again, like I said, nice alloy wheels. I did mention you have turn signal indicators on the mirrors. You also get the fog lights, so some nice standard features on the vehicle, and that's probably why the GL has been our best seller for many, many years. I'll start in the trunk and I'll work my way back up. So again, you got a nice sized trunk. 60/40 or split folding seats, so again 60/40. The right side's a little bit larger opening, so again very nice if you're doing a little project at home, you need a little bit extra cargo space. You can fold those seats down, throw some skis, whatever you need to do. Definitely have the capability to get some additional cargo space with an Elantra. Look at the trunk real quick, or the back seats real quick. So you got a nice cloth with a little insert here, mixes it up a little bit. Carpets are all in nice shape. You have some cup holders right here. No rips or anything like that, which is important to see. You got power windows on the rear. Keep moving up to the front. Now the meat and potatoes, let's have a look here. So some of the features you'd expect to find, sorry I left the key in the ignition, I'm going to take that out. You got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You also have a locking rear window, so it's great if you have young children like myself. You got an adjustable driver's seat right there. You can adjust your interior illumination. You have lane departure warning or blind spot detection, and you can also shut your traction control off if need may be. We're going to jump in real quick. I'm going to turn it on. It's a little bit of a hot day. Whew. Turn the air up. Okay, so let's show you some of the interior features. So you got this nice leather wrap steering wheel. You got all your Bluetooth hands-free calling on the left-hand side of the driver of the steering wheel. If we move over to the right, you've got all your cruise control features here. You also have the ability to toggle through some of the settings and personalize your vehicle. So again, some nice features right at the hands of the driver, which is most important. If we move over to the shifter, you got some other more comfort features. You've got 3-stage heated seats on both sides. You got a heated steering wheel, definitely my favorite feature, and you have drive modes. So again, you can drive it in normal, eco, or sport mode. So again, it's all about feel, so we advise our customers to try them, see which one feels best, and then go with that. You got all your auxiliaries and inputs down there. So some plug-ins, some nice features to have. Your temperature controls are all really well laid out, easy to use, very simplistic. And if we move up, here's your infotainment center. A nice big touch screen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities, so compatibilities. So you plug your Apple phone in, your Android phone in, you have access to not only your music, your apps, but you also have access to navigation with real-time high traffic reports. Very nice if you're planning a little trip going out of town. So the best thing about it is you don't have to go up to the top line model or go get a GPS. You can use it when you need it, and you don't have to use it when you don't need it. So a very nice feature to have in the vehicle. Nice good sized backup camera. Always a nice feature, which is almost standard basically on all of our models, which I think should be standard on every model, and only 68,000 kilometers. 68,000 kilometers, local trade, lots of features like we showed. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, cruise, lane departure warning, you've got it all with the Elantra. So again, I want to thank you for joining us in the virtual showroom today. I just showed you a gorgeous 2017 Elantra GL Automatic. You can always call, text, or email us and shop 24/7 at SeawayHyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs.